ready. I'm ready for this. We are about 7 minutes away till the national anthem here at the Sonics game. A little bit worried. You know, just right before you sing, you get a little nasal drip. I feel a cold coming on. I don't want to disappoint the P1s tonight. So P1s, this is for you. Every bit of this is all for you.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to rise our junior match and join the singing of our national anthem. Performed tonight by the host of the Fitz in the Morning Show, which can be heard Monday through Friday, 5:30 to 10 a.m. on the new 100.7 The Wolf. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonics, welcome to Fitz.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's lasting gleaming, whose first rise and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that a flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free? And the home of the
How do you feel? You just got done nailing it, man.
I'm going to Disneyland.
That's right, baby.